pick the odd one out in terms of the stereo speakers. One have just a mono speaker, and apart from that, all the three have stereo speakers. So let me pick. So the Galaxy F54 over here have just a mono speaker, but apart from that, if you look at these three of them, the Realme 11 Pro Plus, the Galaxy S20 FE, and the Poco F5 have stereo speakers. So let's compare the audio. So the Poco F5, the Galaxy S20 FE, and the Galaxy F54 have Dolby Atmos, whereas the Realme 11 Pro Plus does not have any Dolby Atmos. So let us turn on the Dolby Atmos on three of them. I have already turned on. You can see Dolby Atmos is on, Dolby Atmos is on, and over here is also Dolby Atmos is on. So starting off from the Poco F5. Okay, now it's time for the Galaxy S21 FE. Oh, definitely better than that of Poco F5. And now it's time for Realme 11 Pro Plus. Okay, seems almost same to the Poco F5. So first I felt the Galaxy S20, second is for these two of them, and the Galaxy F54 with just a mono speaker. Oh, oh, that was really unexpected. With just a mono speaker, the Galaxy F54 really managed to manage the audio levels, the quality of the sound, and but the missing thing is the stereo effect is missing. Apart from the loudness was fine, not perfect if you compare to the Galaxy S20 or and all, but still it can cope up with these two guys. But in terms of stereo effect, these two guys are ahead. And first, I would give the win for the Galaxy S20 for both the stereo effect, the immersive loudness and all. And second for these two guys for the stereo speakers and a decent quality audio. And third for the Galaxy F54.